Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So super excited to do my 10,000 subscriber giveaway draw. So obviously I opened it a week ago and it's closed now today. So yeah, just going to get started. I've got my laptop here, which I will obviously put in front of the screen so that you guys can see. So it had 3 prizes. I just put my laptop, oops, sorry, just put my laptop down. Let me just raise that up, hopefully you can see. So I'm just going to copy my URL, which is there on the screen, and I've got here the YouTube comment picker. What's this? Let's continue to the site. So I just put in my URL there of the video. So this one here, so there were 3 prizes. The first one is for the printed version of the Fabulous Fall kit. So it's the ephemera pieces and the background pages printed version. Just a quick word, if for any reason the person who wins it has already purchased this kit, of course just contact me and let me know that, and contact me with an alternative and I will just print you, you know, your choosing. Of course, don't have something you've already got. So yeah. So this is for the Fabulous Fall printed version. So I'm just saying to say here, and it says filter duplicate users, so we don't have multiple entries, I guess. Okay, so it's got 373 unique commenters, it says, and then I just click start, and it's going through the comments. Oh, it's so exciting. Oh, the winner is I.M. So I.M. If you would like to contact me with your postal address via my Etsy shop via email, I will get your printed copy of the Fabulous Fall kit in the post to you. So thank you very much for entering. Right, the next prize is for this one. This is one of my potluck paper packs. And obviously the URL is already still in there, and so I just now click pick another winner, and hopefully it will just pick another one. So oops, start again, and again it's going through the names there. Okay, so this one is Wilma, and I'm so sorry Wilma, I can't pronounce your last name. Wilma Vormans. Hopefully you can see that. So it's VOERMANS. So again, Wilma, congratulations to you. Thank you. And if you again email me at my shop with your postal address, I will get this in the post to you. So congratulations to you. And then the final one is for this journal itself that we're obviously doing the series of at the moment. So again, if I just do pick another winner and click start again. Oh, it seems to be going quicker this time. It's obviously on a go slow just now. Okay, so this one, again, I'm not sure how you pronounce this. So PALHS, Pals Scrap. So again, well done to you, congratulations, thank you so much. And if again you would like to contact me with your postal address at my Etsy shop, then I will get your journal in the post to you. So thank you so much to everyone who entered, and I just want to say a massive thank you for all your awesome suggestions for my alphabet challenge. Brilliant ideas, and to be honest, I don't know why I didn't just put it out there in the first place, because you've come up with awesome ideas that I had not even thought of. So thank you so much, I really do appreciate it, and I will be using many of the suggestions. So thank you very much, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks then, bye.